Microsoft Word is the most famous and widely used software in the Office suite. We can almost say that people of all ages have used this program at least once, or at least know what it does. Word is the most powerful and famous writing software in the world, right after Notepad. Today we write almost every text and letter using Word, unless it is handwritten. We use Word to write movie scripts, design job advertisements, write books, create exam papers with beautiful formulas, and basically do anything that involves writing. With Word, you can insert shapes, tables, charts, and even pictures into your text and design and arrange them depending on your work. Word files are saved in docx or doc format in older versions. In the new versions of Word, you can easily open and edit all these formats, but older versions cannot edit or even open newer files. It can be said that the biggest problem with Office programs is that text fonts get messed up when opened on other devices. Of course, this issue can be solved with a few simple clicks by changing Word settings. Another solution for this problem is exporting Word file to a PDF file. However, you should know that in both methods, the file size will increase a little. PowerPoint is the second most popular member of the Office. It is a simple graphical software, mostly used for creating slides for presentations. The reason for its popularity is its simplicity and the large number of excellent tools and features it offers for creating slideshows and allowing even young students to use it easily. Like Word, PowerPoint can also export your final work as a PDF. This means that besides creating presentations, you can use it to make graphical storybooks, beautiful visual roadmaps, and even excellent resumes. PowerPoint also has great features like easily creating different shapes and adding videos to slides. You can edit, crop, trim, and change the color and lighting of the videos. You can add text with countless fonts and effects and apply smooth and excellent animations to them and everything. PowerPoint file formats are usually PPTX or PPT in older versions. There are also PPS and PPSX formats, which are for slideshows, and when you open them, you will directly enter the slideshow viewing mode. Excel is the third most popular member of this suite, and if you ask anyone to name a few Office programs, they will probably answer Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software based on columns and rows, where each cell has a name such as A1, B4, and D2. In this software, users can easily sort and organize all kinds of data like product sales invoices, product lists, employee lists, student lists, grocery lists, lists of bad guys, cartoon lists, movie lists, and almost any data that needs to be organized and sorted. With it, you can easily design complex formulas, use default formulas or functions for your calculations, create visual charts from your data, use different conditions to mark, delete, or do anything else with the data, or use its attractive autofill feature to easily expand your data. In Excel, each sheet is considered a new page that can be connected to other pages and the data within them. For example, by creating a new sheet, you can enter some data into it and later use that data in other sheets as list values for each record in a table. Excel file formats are XLSX in newer versions and XLS in older versions. Access is a database management system developed by Microsoft. But what is a database? A database is a data management system. In a database, data is organized and placed in tables, and each table has several columns that represent the attributes of an entity in our database. There are many database systems with their specific functions and features, which Access is one of them. Some database systems are server-side and others are client-side. Server-side databases are installed on a server computer, and they store the data received from clients in an organized and structured way on the server. While client-side databases create their own database file on the client's computer or mobile device and store the data locally right there. For example, in the Telegram app, all the messages in your chats are kept and managed in a central database installed on Telegram servers. But in your phone's messaging app, all messages are stored locally in a specific client-side database file. accesses a client-side database, and stores data on the client computer as an ACCDB file. Microsoft Publisher is a simple software for designing single-page and printed documents. The main goal of Publisher is to enable users to create beautiful designs for items such as posters, business cards, catalogs, newsletters, banners, invitations, greeting cards, and even book covers, without needing highly complex graphic software like Adobe Illustrator. Designing in Publisher is very similar to PowerPoint. You can add various shapes, texts, and images to your project. You can apply almost any change to their color, size, and font to achieve the look that is in your mind. Publisher also includes a wide selection of pre-made templates, and several of them are available for free. The main file format of Publisher is PUB, but you can also easily export your designs in PNG, PDF, JPG, and TIFF formats. OneNote is a very powerful digital notebook developed by Microsoft. In OneNote, you can create countless notebooks and give them any name you want. Each notebook can have an unlimited number of sections with custom names and colors, and in each section, there are an infinite number of pages. On each page in OneNote, you can save almost anything and anywhere you want on the screen. This includes text with different fonts, shapes, photos, formulas, GIFs, tables, and even Excel files. The structure of each page in OneNote is quite similar to PowerPoint pages, except that in OneNote pages are organized and categorized, and thanks to OneNote's excellent and powerful search feature, you can find your target notes and pages in the shortest possible time. The file format of OneNote software is 1 or 1x, but you can easily use the File tab and the Export section to export any page, section, or notebook into the new format you want. Outlook is a powerful software for managing emails and scheduling their delivery. In Outlook, you can log in with any email account from any domain, such as Microsoft 365, Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud, and other. With Outlook, you can easily write customized emails like a Word file. It's possible that most of the emails you receive from big companies are designed using Outlook. You can also categorize and sort emails, schedule emails to be sent, and send broadcast emails. In addition to email-related tasks, Microsoft Outlook can also remind you about events, meetings, and work tasks, and sync with other Office programs like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel to attach and send projects to others. OneDrive is a Microsoft cloud storage service that you can use with a Microsoft account. OneDrive gives each user 5 gigabytes of initial free space, which increases up to 1 terabyte when you purchase a Microsoft 365 subscription. OneDrive allows you to work on Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents online and access the version history of every file. To sign up and receive the 5 gigabytes of free space, all you need to do is visit the OneDrive website and create an account. After that, you can install the OneDrive app on your Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS devices and start uploading files or syncing your projects.